reasonable. Yeah, fine. I'm carrying this bag from. Can I have a pumpkin spice latte? I have had enough. Actually, this is the first time I'm gonna be saying this in a video. I have had enough of me. I am so annoyed of myself, and I don't know, like, I'm doing the best I can, but I'm not doing the best I can. I don't really know how to explain that, except for I need to fix my sleeping schedule. And no, this is not morning, this is actually like 5 p.m.
It's 4:59 p.m.
And I literally woke up at 12 today, which is it's terrible. It's just terrible. And I also kind of have been sleeping at like 3. नहीं हो रहा यार, मैं बहुत टाइम से ट्राई कर रही हूँ, but I don't know. So today I decided, okay, you know what? We are gonna stop the madness today. And I haven't taken a shower yet. I know, I hate myself too. It's just too gross. I can't say much. Oh, also the only meal I've had today is coffee. So we gotta fix. No, I had dal chawal. Yeah, okay, we're good. We're not that bad, down bad. Okay, also this, my mom did some artistry on my hand. I don't know why. We're gonna deep clean this thing. We're gonna make my bed. We are gonna go to the gym. We're gonna maybe go to Nature's Basket and get like a cookie dough, like cook and stuff. And we are gonna film a reel because I still have 1 hour till the sun sets, and before that I need to give a reel. Like, I don't have anything to post day after tomorrow, so I don't post every day, I post every alternate day, which is much better because for me editing, posting, all of that is just too so yeah, I'm trying to be consistent. I would rather post every alternate day than not post at all. But we gotta figure out a real idea. We gotta figure out what the hell we're gonna wear, and we gotta take a shower before we do any of that shit. So let's get started. So the first plan of action is to put my hair up in a bun because they always get in the way. They're super heavy and they really annoy me at times. Then I had to hop in the shower to feel a little more cleaner. After getting out of the shower, the first thing I do is put my accessories on. This watch is from Titan. It's literally my favorite. I wear it every single day. I lit my cutesy candle, wore my daily earrings, wore my daily rings. This new routine has really made me feel so much more prettier. Wearing accessories overall just elevates your confidence, and especially wearing a watch. Then I started with my skincare, so I did not really want to do a lot. I just put on my daily moisturizer and this lip balm. It's a natural lip balm, so I obviously loved it. Then the hair had to come down because they were not doing me justice at that point. I also wore this golden bracelet on the other hand. I literally felt so good after this whole routine. Definitely give this a try. Hey guys, I don't know what to say. To be honest, I am a little tired. I do not know why, so don't even ask. We still have a little work to do, but I just felt like I need to tell you guys that I want to try PSL. PSL is pumpkin spice latte, whatever you call it. But यार मुझे वो इसलिए try करनी है क्योंकि I think every influencer has had it by now. I am literally the only one who hasn't even tried it, and I have no fall decor in my room whatsoever, which is damn embarrassing considering that I'm a content creator, so I should have fall decor. And I'm thinking of making like a fall vibes video where we'll maybe DIY fall decor and all that stuff. I literally hate where I'm currently living because of this shitty construction in the background. It is so annoying when I'm supposed to record and there's this thug in the background. It's honestly very ugh. Also, let's get back to fall decor and ignore the background. I don't really know what to do, but you know what I'm thinking? Like, I have this thing in my mind of what all I can do in decor. I might have this one Halloween costume, and it's like a skeleton ka this thing. So what I'm thinking, let's just hang it up right here. Let's like hang up a few pumpkins made वैसा वाला thing, दो यहाँ पे, and then a few over there, a few over there, like all over the room, just small pumpkins hanging, like all that cutesy stuff. And I really want to do something for fall this year because it's honestly just very sad. I like celebrating all kinds of festivals, and it's just very sad to see that I do not have fall vibes in the room. Even though Mumbai में उतना कुछ fall जैसा होता नहीं है, but we can surely try. Let me know if you guys want to see like a fall video, like DIYing all the fall cutesy stuff, or just a fall room decor. Oh, this is a super video idea. Fall room decor. Oh my god, I love this. So yeah, we'll most probably be doing that. I am so like nervous, as if I'm like performing or something. I'm so nervous. I don't know how well it's gonna go, but I really hope it goes well. And plus, I'm not really a fan of spicy drinks, so I hope it's not spicy because it says pumpkin spice latte. But yeah, let's see. I mean, oh, by the way, this is what my room looks like right now, like my bed at least. And that's the mic, that's my phone cover. We need to clean up this space now. I just took a break. I thought, you know what, let's just talk to you guys. Yeah, now we're gonna get back into this. Okay, guys, so I decided to change my top, and I'm wearing this brown beige combination वाला top. But that's because जो दूसरा वाला था उसमें मैं थोड़ी सी uncomfortable थी. Lot of reasons, but aside, that's beside the point. Aside the point. एक second रुको. So we are going to get the PSL. Ignore that in the background. It's just annoying. But we are going to get PSL for the very first time. I've never ever tried it, as I've said like 1,000 times. And I'm carrying this bag from Miniso. Ugh. A lot of people are like, oh my god, where did you get that bag from? So I got it from Miniso Delhi, but I did not see it in Miniso ka Mumbai wala jo place hai. Sad. So if you're from Mumbai, I don't know where to get it from. I think you can find like a similar one in some local market. But if you're from Delhi, like I got it from Delhi, so I think Delhi ke Miniso mein ye bag mostly mil jayega. We are gonna apply perfume and leave. I put like a story of the balcony view because the sunset was really pretty. Someone literally is like, my area ka naam, and they're like, isme kahan rehte ho aap? I'm like, bro, how did you figure that out from a views photo? Like, it could be any other area, right? They must be seeing my vlogs and stuff, so they probably know where I live. But, anyways, I want to move, so yeah, I'm literally into my nose and in my like throat. I really want to move out. I don't know why, and it's not like I don't love my family. My family is genuinely great, most supportive people. My mom even edits my vlogs. But I don't know, I just have this thing, like everyone moves out of their house. I want to do that. And people are like, bro, tu Mumbai mein rehti hai, tu Mumbai mein kyun move out karna chahti hai? I do not know. Don't ask me. It's so shitty. And it is honestly a very unreasonable, yes, that's the word. It's a very unreasonable thing to do, but I just want to move out. Like, that's, I think, a part of growing up, that you eventually move out of your parents' house and you kind of understand what it is to live alone. I do not hate my parents, but I just want to know what it is like to live alone, to do everything on your own. See, then I will even, according to my mom, then I will even appreciate my mom and what she does for the family more. This is what she says. But honestly, I feel like I'm really going to like living alone. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to do everything on my own. I'll probably keep helpers, but it's just overall a better experience. And also, one more reason I want to move out is because I want a dog. so desperately. I think everyone knows how much I love dogs. So you know how desperately I want a dog. I really hope I get to move out by either the end of this year or the start of next year, because it's just like I've had it. I'm just kind of in a mood to live alone for a bit, even if I don't like it. Like, I want to try it. Okay, I have said that enough, and now we're gonna leave. So, bye. Oh. This is going to be a very chatty vlog. I am literally so skeptical to trying this out because I don't know if I like it or not. And I don't want to waste it. That's my main concern. I do not know what to do.
I think it's gonna be wonderful and good you're talking, but talk sense.
I am talking sense. I don't know if I like it.
So yeah, we are here. Yeah, that's that guy.
That's what I was saying.
Uh,
Go do it. Tell him we'll give
How?
money. We can't do it
There's
online.
no other way. No, Gauri, please. You have to take care that this tail moving animal doesn't come to me.
I can't do it.
That's why I want to sit inside. That's the reason I want to sit inside.
Someone, if you like dogs, please come out and we'll go in.
Yeah, please. If whoever likes dog, please come
So
out.
that's why you like lizards?
Yeah,
too?
she is that girl. Yeah, she's looking like. I'm sorry. No. Some people are arguing or fighting, or I don't know what they're enjoying on the road. Oh, very badly
Let's go
arguing.
drama.
No.
Sorry, man. Guys, there's a full blown drama going on here.
Someone is fighting and you think it's drama.
Yes. See, guys, I can go home and tell my friends I saw a fight today.
So, Gauri, don't put it. Duh.
What's a duh?
There is a dash. You can
Dash.
take yourself.
My mom does not say galis, she gives dashes. She gives fill in the blanks to you. You fill in whatever gali you feel is more appropriate for yourself.
Yeah, that's a better way of doing it.
No, oh no, I had a reverse. Can I have a pumpkin spice latte?
Have it here to go.
Have it.
Size you can have of the pumpkin spice.
Sorry?
Size short.
Tall.
Any food along with that?
Sorry, what's the smallest size?
The short.
Short one, yeah, that one. Okay, so we are trying the pumpkin spice latte. I did not know it was hot. That's how. क्या बोलते हैं वो जो लोग डम होते हैं?
I don't think there's any sugar in that.
Okay. So this is without any additions to the drink. There are these ladies in the background who are super loud, and now I'm super annoyed at them. I feel like literally shouting at them, but then out of delicacy, nahi, decency, I'm not saying anything.
Nice.
It's nice.
You need to add sugar or no?
Let me have another sip. I don't think for now, because maybe because of the cream. If I'm having a hot drink, this has to be it. See, now I understand the hype behind the pumpkin spice latte. But he's right, it's better hot. Cold उतना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा जितना hot है. I'm gonna kill that lady, I swear.
I feel like really shouting and telling them.
That's what, yaar. Like, this is a chilling place, but ठीक है, don't shout. Like, talk and stuff, but don't shout. They are the only ones who are making it this loud. Varna, it's not this loud from anyone. I feel like even I have been one of those groups which has been loud, but then we are a group of like 6-7 people. Then we are loud because that's understandable. You're talking to everyone together. Like, I don't think 4 लोगों में इतना जोर जोर से बात करने की जरूरत है, but ठीक है. Bread the mango is damn good. Guys, go and try it and have the hot version. I haven't tried the cold one yet, but have the hot version. I don't think it's that good in cold. It's just, I think I'm gonna have it again this season. I think in the fall room decor video, I'll probably be drinking this. Try it. Actually, you can't have. Ask him, is there sugar in this? Because I don't think so. But it is sweet. Acha, haan. I'm absolutely in love with this drink. Hey guys, it is almost 3 a.m. I just realized the time and obviously not good. But I'm planning to sleep now and get up thoda early in the morning. I actually came back by like 12ish and then kind of like acha हाँ उससे पहले I had my momos and all. Came home, I was just chilling for a bit and I started YouTube and then 3 बजे तक मेरे को खींच लिया. I'm literally in like boxers. Very tired. I do not know what is my plan for tomorrow, but I do plan on waking up early, and that has been happening for quite some time now, and I'm just not able to wake up early no matter how hard I try to. So that's becoming very frustrating, but I really hope I can force myself to wake up early tomorrow. I am thinking कि like 10 बजे तक उठ जाऊँ so that I can like fix so that I can fix my स्लीपिंग शेड्यूल थोड़ा सा 10 भी 10:30 11 बजे तक उठ गई ना तो थोड़ा स्लीपिंग शेड्यूल फिक्स हो जाएगा बिकॉज नींद उतनी नहीं मिलेगी. मैंने अभी तक मेरी ज्वेलरी भी नहीं उतारी, मतलब ईयरिंग्स नहीं उतारे. मैंने वॉच और दूसरा क्या वो ब्रेसलेट थिंग था ना वो तो उतार दिया पहले. एंड आई कीप माई ऊपर वाले जो ईयरिंग्स है ना जो ये होल वाले हैं I prefer to keep them in because they were almost about to shut and I freaked out so bad. So yeah, I just decided like, okay, you know what, once I'm out then like I don't feel much pain and stuff, but like till the time I'm about to sleep बहुत pain होता है because of the back of this earring. That wait, see that thing, it is extremely pointy and kind of like pinches. ये क्या हो गया? Anyway, so it kind of like pinches ऐसे background में and back में ऐसे कान के पीछे पेन करता है. Okay, I think I've done my fair share of talking in this video. So I will see you guys in the next video, which I hope is pretty soon. I'm literally trying so hard to get my YouTube back on track, but posting twice a week does get a little difficult. I am asking my mom for help because she's just editing my rough draft so that I don't have too much load on myself, because I have to shoot Instagram reels, I have to edit YouTube videos, and I can't just put out raw videos. So we were actually, oh yeah, I wanted to talk to you guys about this. We, like me and my mom, were planning that I start posting out raw videos. What I mean by raw videos is like not aesthetic content, just vlogging. What I do in a day, where I'm going, who I'm talking to. No वो music and all जो आता है इस video में जैसे था, nothing like that. And but then actually we kind of figured that it wouldn't be the best idea. It won't really work on my account. Like very few people would want to watch that compared to if I post ऐसा content. And beside that, even when I'm making this kind of content, it kind of forces me to get into a routine, to wake up early, to clean my room, to clean my desk, like take a shower, wear good clothes, do thoda makeup, put on my accessories, all that stuff. It just does not happen if I'm shooting like a random video. So yeah, that's why we dropped that idea. But I have a very good feeling about my near future. Me and mom have actually been feeling very positive lately about our near future, and I hope everything goes well. Things have started to fall into place. That's what I'm very happy. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Like, subscribe, share, comment, press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. मैंने ये बहुत धीरे बात किया. I think I'll have to increase the volume in this. I just realized that. But then background आवाज़ कुछ है नहीं, तो I don't think इतना भी करना पड़ेगा. But चलेगा. We'll see you guys in like the next video. So bye.